everyone, welcome to Maker Monday. We're going to learn quite a few things tonight. Let's get into it.
Hello everyone, I'm Amy. Today we will be showing you how to use our copier. So this is our copier here at the Jessamine County Public Library, and we only use it for copying. If you want to print or fax or scan, that's a different machine. So first thing that we're going to do is show you how to load in your paper. So we have a tray and we also have a scanning bed. In the tray, you want to put it in this direction with your paper face up. With the scanner, you want to put it in face down and in this top left-hand corner. And you would close it on the paper. But for this demonstration, I'm just going to put it in the tray. We have two options on the screen, simple copy or copy. We are going to start with copy. All right. The tray will lift, so there are a couple of options from here. You can choose between black and white or color copy. So the black and white is 10 cents per page, and the color copy is 35 cents per page. All right, also, before we get ready, we need to decide if we want letter size paper or legal size paper. All right, another option with this copier is whether you want something double-sided or one-sided. So that is under this option. All right, the first one here is if you have something that's one-sided and you want it to stay one-sided. The second option is if you have something that is one-sided, 2 pages, that you need double-sided. The third option is when you have something that is double-sided that you want to keep double-sided. And the final option is when you have something that's double-sided that you want it to be 2 separate pages. I just want 1 copy, so I'll set in 1, but you can add more if you need to. But like I said, I'm just going to do 1. And this is our start button. So we'll press start. It'll take the paper through the tray. And our copy will come out of the bottom. All right. And it comes out the bottom same way if you load it on the scanner. All right, the other option is the simple copy. And the menu looks a little bit different, but it's got all of the same options. So there's the black and white or color. You can set how many you want, the one-sided or two-sided. And then another option is selecting if you want your paper to be zoomed in or not. That is on this menu as well as the other full copy menu.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more Maker Monday videos, check out this playlist. You can also learn more about the JCPL Creative Space at www.jesspublib.org/creative space.